So this is my 07 Civic Si. It's basically completely stock. I just changed the wheels. It has the 2015 Si wheels. And when I bought it, it came with the DC Sport intake. Other than that, it has no mods whatsoever at all. I just gotta do a couple maintenance things before I start my build. Gotta replace the axles and the AC. It blows no cold air at all, and it's finally getting warm, so I need to get that fixed before I start anything. But it's gonna be a fun build. Honestly, I got a lot of parts coming for it, and I'm gonna document everything. I'm gonna film everything that I can. I'm gonna do DIY videos if I can about installing parts and stuff like that. I'm gonna do videos of my friends' builds and stuff like that. I'm gonna do a little bit of everything in this channel, and if you want to keep watching, subscribe, and then you'll get updates of when I post a video. And there's a lot of cars being built this summer here. Winter was dead. Everybody's coming out hard this summer, so there's gonna be a good amount of competition. Well, I wouldn't say competition because nobody's competing, but you always want to stand out a little bit more than everybody else, so that's my goal at least. So subscribe to the channel so you can see updates of everything that we do. You might learn a couple things, and let's get this started.